Hello friends, I Akanksha Mishra welcome all of you here at TMB Academy. Today I am going to speak on ISO 37101, that is Management Systems for Sustainable Development in Communities, Auditor Training Course. Let me start with the introduction of ISO 37101. Now what is ISO 37101? ISO 37101 is an international standard which specifies the requirements and provides guidance on the establishment of a management system for sustainable development in communities. The standard aims to help communities establish a framework that allows them to improve their standing in their social, economic, and environmental aspects. The requirements of the standard can be applied to communities of all sizes in their sustainable development efforts towards smart, more resilient, and more efficient infrastructure, and ultimately help improve their overall well-being. The standard addresses specific sustainability issues such as governance, education, innovation, healthcare, interdependence, safety, inclusivity, etc., and has the flexibility of adding other sustainability issues which may prove relevant to the community implementing it. Now let us know why should you attend this. Alongside the issue of the depletion of finite resources, that is shortage of clean drinking water, deforestation, infertile soils, food shortages, etc., the issue of sustainable development is taking a global and eminent character. Our current way of living is not sustainable, and it will unavoidably leave younger generations with the burden of resource exhaustion. As such, it is imperative that we change our way of living and make our communities around the globe more sustainable. Now let us know the benefits of implementing ISO 37101 in a community. By implementing a sustainable development management system based on ISO 37101, a community will build consensus on sustainable development within communities. Put in place a system which takes into account the pillars of sustainable development, that is economic, social, and environmental aspects, as well as the UN SDGs. Improve the sustainability, smartness, and resilience of strategies, programs, projects, plans, and services that are under the direct responsibility of communities. Preserve and improve the environment. Improve resilience and optimize resource usage. Foster a systematic approach to engaging all interested parties. Increase the efficiency and attractiveness of communities. Obtain international recognition. Now let us know who should attend this training now. Auditors seeking to perform and lead certification audits for a management system for sustainable development in communities based on ISO 37101. Individuals seeking to master the audit process of an MSSDC. Internal auditors responsible for maintaining conformity to the requirements of ISO 37101. Technical experts seeking to prepare for an MSSDC audit. Expert advisors in sustainable development management. Now let us discuss the learning objectives. Understand the operations of a management system for sustainable development in communities based on ISO 37101. Acknowledge the correlation between ISO 37101 and other standards and regulatory frameworks. Understand the auditor's role in planning, leading, and following up on a management system audit in accordance with ISO 19011. Learn how to interpret the requirements of ISO 37101 in the context of an MSSDC audit. Now I will tell you training approach of TMB. This training course is based on theory and best practices used in MSSDC audits. Lecture sessions are illustrated with practical examples. Participants are encouraged to communicate with each other and engage in discussions and exercises. Exercise or questions are similar to the certification exam questions. Now let us know the duration and day-wise agenda course. This course is designed for 5 days with a total 40 hours and each day would be 8 hours only. Now, the course agenda is for 5 days. Day 1, Introduction to the Management System for Sustainable Development in Communities and ISO 37101. Day 2, Audit Principles, Preparation and Launching of an Audit. Day 3, On-Site Audit Activities. Day 4, Closing the Audit. Day 5, Certification Exam. Global recognition. Let me tell you all about the recognition of this course now. This course is a globally recognized and acceptable worldwide. Training offered by the TNV Institute is certified by Exemplar Global. Exemplar Global is a globally recognized certification body which offers personal certification and certification of training providers. Every participant who attends the training and qualifies the examination gets a training certificate from TNV with an Exemplar Global emblem. Any candidate who qualifies the lead auditor course developed by TNV is eligible to be enrolled as lead auditor with any certification body subject to fulfillment of other requirements like educational certificate and working experience. I hope that you have come to know the recognition of this course now, which is being offered by TNV. For more information about TNV and various training programs, you can contact us through email or phone. Now, this brings us to the end of this session now. I sincerely thank you all for your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.